POV, you're a bunny in a glass submarine, and the ocean is casually flexing on you.
Not rocks, they're alive, fully running underwater real estate.
This reef is basically the city center. Rent is high, but the views? Unreal.
And that fish 100% judged me. I felt the side eye through the glass. Kinda wild how all this exists and we're stressed about unread notifications.
I'm so happy here, down in the quiet blue.
Coral reefs keep ocean life alive, balanced, and thriving. Actual main characters. Like and follow for more chaotic nature vlogs. Comment where I should go next. Deeper ocean or straight to space?